So hello everyone, today we'll make Hyderabadi paneer or cottage cheese. You must have tried many paneer recipes, but this one is really unique because it is very nutritious. So let's start. So we'll start with some really unique spices: green chili, bay leaf, cardamom and cloves, black pepper, ginger and garlic. And we have 200 grams of paneer, roughly chopped onions, roughly chopped tomatoes, grated paneer, and the main ingredient kevra essence, oil, curd, and we have some fresh cream, spinach, coriander, and this is Kashmiri lal mirch or red chili powder, normal red chili powder, some salt, turmeric powder and coriander powder. So let's start. Here we begin. First we'll take a pan and put 2 tablespoons of oil in that. And then we'll put all our special spices, which were cloves, cinnamon and green cardamom, bay leaf and black pepper. Now we'll let them sizzle for a while. And then we'll add our chopped onions. And then we'll stir it. Cook them until they become translucent. Then we'll add our ginger, garlic and green chilies and bay leaf. We'll cook them until they become soft. We have added green chilies for the good aroma. We'll stir them until they become soft. Now we'll add our tomatoes and then we'll add some salt accordingly. Now we'll add our spinach. We'll let it cook for a while. Then we'll add coriander. Now we will stir it and we'll cook it until it becomes soft. Now as you can see, the onions and tomatoes have become soft, and then we'll add a half cup of water in this and then we'll stir it for a while, and then we'll keep this mixture aside for 10 minutes and let it cool. So then we'll take a grinder and we'll grind this mixture into a fine paste. Now you can see we have grinded that mixture into a smooth fine paste. We'll take a pan and add 2 tablespoons of oil. Then we'll add our Kashmiri red chili powder into this oil. And then we'll add this mixture. And then we'll add a normal red chili powder and then coriander powder and turmeric powder. And then we'll mix it on low flame. You might be thinking that as it is green in color, this is palak paneer, but this is not palak paneer. This is something very different from palak paneer. We'll stir this on low flame only, and then we'll add salt according to taste. And then we'll keep stirring it. Then we'll add curd, 2 tablespoons of curd. We will stir it properly on high flame now. And some fresh cream. Now as you can see, the gravy is properly cooked. We'll add paneer cubes into it. And also we'll add some grated paneer. Now as you can see, our gravy is little bit thick, so we'll add some water, or you can add milk also for the proper consistency. We'll cook it and then we'll cover it with a lid for 2 to 3 minutes. Now you can see it's ready. Now we'll pour this into a container. Add some grated paneer for garnishing, and then we'll add kevra essence, 2-3 drops, and then we'll add butter. It's optional. If you want, you can add this, and it's ready.